Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Trudy Vysotsky. Now I've created over, I don't even know, I've lost track. I think it's about 180 digital products. So I'll just say 100 plus digital products, more than 20 online courses, and all in a very, very short time. And the way I've done that is by using my own templates. So depending on which bundle you're looking at right now, I just wanted to show you a sneak peek inside of exactly what's inside. So this particular one here is called Lead Magnet Bundle. Now there are 4 lead magnets inside. They're all slightly different. You'll notice here that they're like a blush color. When I set up my website many years ago, I decided to go with a blush color, but I do have videos where I show you how to change your colors, and I want to actually show you some examples of some little mini lead magnets that just as a sample so you can see what's possible. So this one here is called Lead Magnet 1. It's sort of like a question style lead magnet, and the reason I've put it into grid view, which is right down the bottom in the right hand corner, you'll notice there's 4 little boxes. This is the way I actually always start out getting ready to prepare to write an ebook or a lead magnet or whatever it might be, or a digital workbook. I actually get everything set out so I can just get a good overview of what's actually there, and then I can start to delete pages that I don't want, or add pages or duplicate pages. So this one here has been broken down into 3 sections, but for those that have used Canva before, you'll know that if you hover over one of the pages and click those little 3 dots there, you can actually duplicate that page. So you can go up to 10 sections, whatever. You can add a blank page. So there's lots that you can do, and I do have some videos to show you how to do that when you buy this particular bundle. So this one here, as I said, it's like a question style lead magnet, but you could easily use it also to add more pages and use it as a little ebook. So but you also go and check out my ebook template as well, because that is really huge and comprehensive as well. So so the next one is Lead Magnet 2. So it's just a slightly smaller one. It's more broken down into use like step 1, step 2 and step 3. Again, lots of different covers to choose from. Got a table of contents, a welcome, how to use a ebook, some support, like where people can schedule a call, and then a call to action and a back page. So I want to actually show you just again a little training copy that I've shown my students in my Create and Sell Digital Products program, that I just show people how to do it really quickly and easily. Now this is just a it's not a real version. This is just something that I created. So I've used the template before, so Lead Magnet 2. You noticed here I've used cover number 2, and what I've done is I've turned it into a little ebook that someone could use. Again, this is a fake I guess ebook. It's just something that I wanted to create myself, because I have a knee issue and I really wanted someone to write an ebook on low mobility exercise, so I started to write my own. So that's the front cover. It's just a disclaimer and copyright page, table of contents, welcome page. So again, if that was you doing that, you could put a photo of you with one of your clients, or just a photo on your own. How to use the ebook. Again, you could use this to stay, step 1, steps 2, step 3, or in this case, I've just put low impact exercises, resistant bands, types of exercises, types of stretches, and then here is where you would actually have your URL to take people direct to book a call, or your website, or your social media, or whatever your offer is. So here I've actually just created a fake offer just to show you what it could look like for you. So that was really quickly. I just dragged and dropped photos into that and just typed that up. So again, that is something that you could easily create with Lead Magnet 2. So here's Lead Magnet 3. So again, this one's more like a step-by-step, step 1, 2, or 3. So this one here is a little bit bigger. It's 20 plus pages. I think it's 25. A few different covers to choose from. And again, you could use this one here for anything really. You could use it as just a basic information type lead magnet. You could add steps to the beginning. You could just add general information. It's just got an added little 30-day challenge worksheet here. It's got pages here so that people can actually find out more about what you have on offer. Add all your social media links. The other thing I do like to do is people do like to test your program. So if you say, for instance, have got an online course and you want people to give some of your mini online course or all of it for people to watch, you can actually add a link to the video here. It might be direct on your website, or it might be like I do. I have unlisted videos on YouTube, and that's a great way for people to test you so they can actually see the value in then going on your paid training. Again, you delete whatever pages you don't want. Here's a call to action here. This is where you would put your offer, and I've got an example here, so you could literally use something very similar to this, where you'd put a photo there, add your link, URL link, and again just a thank you and back page. So that's so that there is the Lead Magnet 3. Again, I think it's about 25 pages, and then I've got Lead Magnet 4, which is sort of broken down to be made into like a 5-day challenge. Again, the contents page here, day 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, special offer and contact us. But you could easily turn this into like a book into a 30-day challenge. All you do is you keep duplicating the days and then changing the day here. So let's just have a little look. We'll start here so you could have a little look at what it looks like. So again, this is sort of like, I like rose gold, and so therefore I've used this sort of like a pinky gold theme. These are all at this very moment in time free, like free images or free elements. So they're not part of the pro version. But that does change all the time, but at this very moment of filming. So again, these are the different day 3. And if you need more information, you could add, as I said, duplicate this page or add a blank page. Day 4, day 5. And then you've got a 30-day challenge. This also, you could write about a paid offer here, and then actually entice people, invite people onto your paid 30-day challenge or whatever you might have. So there's an offer page, and again, you just delete whatever you don't want to use. So over here, I'll just show you again in grid view. That's what this one is like. This is the 5-day challenge. But I've just done a very basic 5-day challenge here. I've just filled it in so you can actually see how you could just add some visual images really easily. Put your photo of yourself or something there, add some photos. I've even put some tips on here on what sort of you could add to your content. And really, again, add some images and scroll down here. There's again just a little a call to action. So again, just you notice just by adding a few images how great it can be. Really, really easy, drag and drop. Now, one of the things I do actually also include is I do include a training video. Basically, I'll just show you quickly. So I have video 1 training, how to use and edit your Canva templates. I have another video, how to upload photos and use Canva pics. I also talk about how to upload copyright-free images there, how to change color themes, how to change font style and sizes, how to add URL links to PDF documents, which is really, really important because your customers don't want to go looking for you. They just want to be able to click on a link, and how to download in different formats. Now, I do go into a little bit more, but ultimately with each of the bundles, you receive these free videos as well. So yeah, I hope that that's been a really quick way for you to check out what is available on this particular bundle. And if you are a digital product creator and you want to create digital products and online courses, just like I do and just like my Digital Creator Academy students do, make sure that you check out the Digital Creator Bundle. That is a fantastic bundle because it has in there all of these lead magnets, an ebook, a presentation or /webinar slideshow template. It also has a digital workbook, and it has a certificate, and it also has social media posts. So that is by far the most superior one because that gives you everything. So be sure to check that out. Yeah, reach out if you need anything. And most of all, enjoy your digital product creation journey. If you want to find out more about coming onto my my coaching and training program or doing the self-paced study, make sure you check out the link in just below this video. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video to talk more about the next bundle.